Are you a complete yoga beginner? Do you want to start or restart your yoga journey? Or do you simply want to enjoy some yoga? Then this 7-day yoga challenge is for you. My name is Marcel and I'm very excited to have you. Welcome into day 7, last day of this 7-day yoga journey. Welcome, you did it. And are you ready to feel some bliss? Well, I sure am. Let's go, let's start it up. We're starting off with jumping jacks today. Maybe you didn't expect that. We're jumping jacks, let's get into it. And you don't need to push yourself too much if you don't feel like it. Feel how your body feels and feel how much you like to push yourself right here, right now. You're doing great, keep it up. Feel the warmth that is created in your body. Feel how your body feels landing on the floor and lifting off the floor again. Keep it up, keep it up. Great job. How does that feel to do jumping jacks? I bet you didn't expect to do this today, right as you clicked on this yoga video. Because, yoga is so much more than just yoga poses. We want to really connect with our body and slowly come out of the jumping jacks motion right now. And today I'll invite you to just dance. Just dance in any kind of way you feel like. So if you have other people around, just smile and maybe close your eyes and move on the spot. Or walk around a little bit, take up more space. And check in with how that feels today. We are going for another minute. And maybe make some movements that you have never done before in your life. Maybe come to the floor with your hands and move on the floor. Come up again. Do whatever feels good to you right now in this dance that we're doing. This wonderful, beautiful dance of yours. Keep it up. Smile. You're so beautiful. Keep that wonderful smile. Great job. Just listen to the music and let yourself be inspired by the music. Good. Let's do this. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. Warming up your whole body. Moving your arm, your shoulders, your wrists, your fingers, your feet, your toes, your knees, your hips. Everything that we have been practicing for the last 7 days. Remember a little. And moving in this beautiful dance through all these poses that you loved so much. And right now, come to a wall, find a wall, and shift your hips close to the wall. Sitting down, and bring your feet up on the wall. If that feels good to you, amazing. You can either stay there. If that doesn't feel good to you, feel free to come out of it and wait for us to come back. Otherwise, you can bring your elbows next to your body, fingers are pointing up. If you like to go further, shift your hips up, grab onto your hips with your hands and extend your feet. Great. Feel how the blood is flowing down your body. And you have a lot of weight going through your elbows into the floor. Your head is looking straight up into the sky. Your head is not looking to the left or to the right. Just straight up into the sky. Good job. Keep that up. And breathe in deep into your belly, into your chest. Our head is looking straight up because we want to protect our neck here. And especially if you would go into the full variation of it, then you really want to just look up into the sky. Here, you maybe can get away with looking to the left or to the right, but I don't recommend that. Just look up into the sky. Doing great. Feeling the length from your feet to the shoulders. Breathing in deep into your belly and to your chest. Reoxygenating all the blood that was stuck in our toes. Going for another little minute here. Breathing in deep to your belly, into your chest. Expanding your chest into the front, to the right, to the left, to the back, into all sides. Great job. And from here, slowly taking your time, coming down with your legs, vertebra by vertebra, release your body to the floor and shift yourself to either the left or the right side. And there, take a moment to feel how the blood is flowing back into your toes. Maybe it's a tickly sensation going on. It's completely fine. What kind of feeling is there going on right now? And then we're coming to a sit right now. Come to a sit. Make sure you have maybe a sitting pillow or some books around that you can sit on to make the sit comfortable. Great. And from here, this is the surprise here. Bring your right hand up and with the index finger and the middle finger, go in between your eyebrows and grab on with your ring finger onto your nose and with your thumb onto your nose, pulling the nose flash up. Great job. And then from there, breathe in through both nostrils. We're going to do nadi shodna, alternate nostril breathing here. Good. If at any time, any point in time, this becomes suffocating to you, please come out of it. Just come back to your natural breath. Other than we're starting right here, right now. Closing your left nostril, breathing in through your right nostril. Closing your right nostril, breathing out through the left nostril, opening your left, breathing out through your left. Breathing in again through your left, closing the left and breathing out through the right. Breathing in again through the right, closing the right, opening the left and breathing out through the left. Continue in your own time, in your own rhythm. Doing just great. You can have your eyes closed. This calms our nervous system. Wonderful. Doing just great. And the next time you breathe out through your left nostril, release the fingers and breathe in through both nostrils. And then breathing out through both nostrils again. Coming completely back to your natural breathing. Lie down on the floor, on your back. Extend your legs, bring your arms by your sides, palms are pointing forward. Chin a little bit to your chest. Release your head down again. Having your eyes closed, coming into Savasana. Just be. Doing Savasana. Come out of the yoga lesson again. Great job. Just be. Slowly come back to your body. Start to move your fingers. Start to move your toes. Breathing in deeper. And shifting yourself to one side and come back to a sit. You did it. I congratulate you from the bottom of my heart. If you finished a 7-day yoga journey, wish you all the best in your further yoga journey. Make sure to subscribe here, so to stay up to date with my videos here. And if you have any kind of wishes, please let me know, and I will do my best to fulfill them in kind of like a video way, right? Good. So I wish you once again a wonderful day, and with that said, love and blessings to you, and I hope to see you very soon. Bye.